Yeah.
The stick.
Oh. You don't like your wine?
Yes, I do. But I figure somebody else might like to enjoy it too.
Oh.
Pants.
Oh. Oh, man. I need these. I like these.
That's
Look at that
better.
shawl. They're a shawl.
Sure.
Oh, boy. And that's a good brand, too.
Yeah, that
Columbia.
is. And another
Oh,
pair.
man.
Another pair.
Wow.
Because we can't have you going pantsless.
I'm
Please,
telling
dear
you.
God.
No, we don't live on a nude beach.
Thank God.
Seeing that.
And besides that, we see enough when we bathe you back there. We have to holler, "Don't look, Ethel!"
Well, thank you.
But you're welcome.
That is nice.
Now give him the big green box.
Big green box.
That'd be that box.
I
That's
figured that-
heavy.
Thank you for clarifying.
Woo.
All we see is Casey's rock.
That's all you need to see.
Shake it, baby. Shake it, shake it.
I'm not blocking the view. I am the view.
Damn, she snapped it.
Boy, listen to that.
She can sing them, can't she? What's that song? It's all about the bass.
I hope
About the
mine's cooking
bass.
the steaks, because I'm hungry.
He is.
Ooh, what's
Oh,
that?
thank God. This is a gift for everyone on staff. Thank God.
Brian told me to get him a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, man.
Did you hear her?
I'm
Did you
excited
hear what
about
she
this
said?
one. Every time you touch the one in there, the knobs just fall off. And you're like,
Oh, they're like,
how am I getting around this one?
Well,
See, look, Larry. Look at the, oh, you're seeing it.
I'm saying it.
Okay.
Cool. New toaster.
Brian
Now,
told me to get him a
now,
vacuum
you
cleaner.
go throw that one in the garbage that's in yonder, in the
Gladly.
kitchen, and put that one in there.
Gladly.
You'll have justice.
yeah,
You'll
that's
feel.
the old one that Mom had, I think.
I know, and I
Pretty sure that
scrubbed
was
and
from
cleaned
like
it
the
up.
70s. Like, good Lord. It's like the first toaster oven ever invented.
Well, thank you.
Knowing his daddy, it probably was.
Probably.
Casey, he's got two gifts behind the chair from me. Give them to him
Okay.
next.
Alright.
It's so nice to have a trophy wife.
Hey,
I mean,
she's.
I can't disagree.
Oh, I'm telling you, I want to borrow that.
You say you're number one?
That is gorgeous.
Uh-huh.
That
I
is
want to borrow
gorgeous.
that too.
I
Can I
want
put it in my suitcase?
Oh, it's so pretty.
Larry knows what my suitcase is.
Pretzels.
That's roasted pecans. Open it up so he can see them.
Oh, pretzels!
I found them and I said, oh my God, I can't believe I finally found them.
Casey, can you help pull that?
Oh, card fell
Pull
out.
that.
I'm working.
What else we got?
Pecans.
Oh, pecans. Let's make pecans. Thank you.
I'll hold them.
I bet you will.
You take the pecans and hide them. He says they're always for him
Now
and
you come
nobody
trophy
else.
wife.
Yeah.
You're too
I
late.
was showing you, you
Oh,
nuts.
not Christian, but we need to go with steaks.
Oh,
Watch it.
I
here.
Shut it, Miss
Now, what you got in your arms?
Ooh, those are pretty.
Aren't those gorgeous? Those are beautiful.
Yeah, I thought about keeping them for myself.
They are gorgeous.
Casey said you have plenty of candles to put
Those
candles
are
on.
pretty. Those are pretty.
And, oh my gosh.
That look good back in your
You know,
bedroom.
he and I got,
And I said,
Shelf on
ooh,
we
my
those
wall.
are
both
Yeah.
got the cards from
Those are
Yankee Candle
gorgeous.
because
I
I
thought they were pretty when I
both
seen
of us
that
on
blue
the
matches your
table.
room so
When
good.
we get
That's going to
the,
go up on my
the
shelves.
cards
up on
to
my
buy
wall.
two,
They'll
get
show
two
up
free.
beautiful up there.
So he went and loaded up
Oh,
and so
man,
did I. And I've got
thank you.
one more, but I want to go to foliage
Those are
and use
really
it
nice.
because